In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a file to a client's profile. So first, we're going to head to the Clients tab and select a client. We can go ahead and open up their full profile view and head over to the Files tab. From here, you can go ahead and click Upload Document, where you can go ahead and select the type of document. The document type is only visible to you as the provider, and your clients do not see this description. You can also select if you would like it to have any tags associated, whether that be a form or an image. And you have the option to share the document with the client as well, directly into their client portal. And then you can click on the Upload Document button, where you are able to go ahead and select the document that you would like. And you can click on the Submit when you are ready to upload that. You can see here that the example that I've uploaded is unacknowledged, meaning that if your admin adds in a file, that the provider knows that this is a new file that they need to acknowledge that it has been sent to the client. And to do that, you're just going to go ahead and click on that file. It will open it up, and you can acknowledge that that has been sent to the client and close that out. To unshare a file with a client, all you have to do is click on the arrow with the line through it to stop sharing that file with the client. And that is how you go ahead and share files with clients.